Hello, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Holmes again. Today we're going to be putting our Unit 8 words in our word book. So for this activity, you need your word book or a piece of paper. If you don't have the word book, you need a pencil and a yellow crayon. So if you need to pause the video to get those items, that is okay. When you come back, we will begin. Well, welcome back. Today we're going to use our Words I Use When I Write book. And we open up our book to the A page. Now, you may have words in your book that I don't have. It's because I got a new book recently. And looking at my list of words, there are, here's the word, an important word, answer, answer. Now, here's animal, another any, but I don't see answer. So we're going to begin with the word answer. This is a very tricky word. A-N-S-W. Make sure you have that W. E-R. Answer. You have to answer the question. And trace over it. A-N-S-W-E-R. Answer. You had to give a good answer. And we have another A word, and that word is army. Army. Army has two syllables. Me. And we spell it R-A-R-M-Y. Army. Now I want you to go ahead and circle the AR because it is a R-controlled syllable. Army. What sound does the Y make? Yeah, it makes the sound of E, doesn't it? Okay, let's trace army. A-R-M-Y. Army. Remember, you can pause the video at any time if you need to. Okay, moving on to the B page. And there are no words that begin with the letter B. Turn to the C page. And there are no words that begin with C. But when we get to D, we do have a D word. Our first D word is different. Echo me, different. Now I don't see different over here. So different. D I F F E R E N T. This was one of our trick words this week. Different. Okay, D I F F E R E N T. Different. And there were no other words that begin with D. Turning to E, we have the word explore. Explore. I don't see it here anywhere. X. So E X P L O R E. E X P L O R E. Now the O R E is an R controlled vowel. So we're going to go ahead and circle it so to help us remember it. And now let's go ahead and trace E X P L O R E. Explore. And there were no other E words. F There are no words that begin with F. G. Oh, we do have a G word. Echo me. Garlic. First syllable, gar. Second syllable, lick. Garlic. G. A. R. L. I. C. Garlic. And we need to circle the R controlled vowel, AR. And let's go ahead and trace it. Garlic. Garlic. And there are no other words that begin with G. H. And I look at H, and we have the word has. Has. H. A. S. Has. The letter I. There are no words that begin with I on my list today. J. And there are no words with J. K. There are no K words. L. There are no words that begin with L. M. Now, the first one I want us to look at is the word many. Many is a trick word. It's right here. Many. It's tricky because the A sounds like an I or E. Many. M. A. N. Y. Many. We just trace it. And the next word, let's see, we have another M word. Oh, we do. Marched. Arched. I don't see an AR sound here, so marched. M. A. R. C. H. E. D. Now my handwriting is very neat. I hope yours is too. We have an R controlled vowel, so we're going to circle it and trace. M. A. R. C. H. E. D. Marched. The army marched across the field. Marched. And let's see. And we have the word more. More. Now more, it's right here. You'll notice more ends with O-R-E. So we're going to go ahead and circle that because that's an R controlled vowel. And trace. M-O-R-E. More. And that's all of the M words. If you need to pause the video, you may. N. Now, words that start with N. There are no words that start with N. O. There are no words that begin with O. P. Ah, we have one. Echo me. Porches. Now, porches, first word, or first syllable, porch, suffix, is. P. O-R-C-H-E-S. Porches. Now circle the O-R, and let's circle the suffix, porches. And I'm going to trace it. P-O-R-C-H-E-S. You notice that The base word is porch, and I'm going to go ahead and underline that as well. Porches. Okay, the next R-controlled word we have that starts with a P is the word part. Echo me, part. Now right here I have party. It has a Y on it, but the word we need for today is the word part. So if you run out of room here, you can put it over here. Part. P-A-R-T. Part. I'm going to circle the A-R and write the word part. P-A-R-T. Part. Okay, and that's all of the P words. Q. There's no Q words. R. Now, when it comes to R, we have several. The first one, echo me. Reported. First syllable, re. Second syllable, port. Suffix, id. Reported. Re, R-E, port. P-O-R-T. Report, that's our base word. Id, ed. That's the suffix on the end. Reported. Now it has an R-controlled vowel in the middle. Now let's trace the letters of the word. Reported. Report. P-O-R-T-E-D. Reported. Now you notice we didn't mark the syllables on here, but I wanted us to go ahead and mark the R-controlled vowel and the suffix. Reported. All right, that is the only R word. S. Okay, our first S word is scar. I don't see scar over here. So scar, S-C-A-R, scar. And let's circle the R-controlled A-R. And we'll trace S-C-A-R, scar. And we have another S word, spots. Echo me, spots. It has a suffix on it, spots. S-P-O-T-S. And we'll just circle the suffix on that one, spots. All right, trace it, S-P-O-T-S. That's a review word for us, spots. And we have another word, but this one's an R-controlled word, and this word is storm. Storms. Okay, let's write the word storms. S-T-O-R-M-S. Now, what's the R-controlled vowel? Yeah, O-R. And the suffix is S. And let's go ahead and write it. S-T-O-R-M-S. Storms. Before we move on, I want to point out to you the word spots and the word stop. See, they're have many of the same letters, but it's S-T in stop and it's S-P in spot to begin. And then you have O-P and O-T. Very similar words. They're easy to get mixed up. All right, that took care of all the S words. Turning the page, T. There are no words that begin with T. U. Oh, lots of T's. I don't see any U words. V. No V words. W. Ooh, we have a W word. Economy. World. The world is tricky because it has OR, but it doesn't sound like OR. It's WORLD. And this is a trick word, so we're not going to circle the OR. World. Make sure you trace it. And I believe that is all of the words for this week, boys and girls. There are no X, Y, or Z words. So tomorrow is the test, and make sure that when you take your test, if you're not sure how to spell a word, that you look in your word book. I'll see you tomorrow for the test.